my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch Jisoo X Zayn Eyes Closed official music video. So I'm super excited kasi kung hindi nyo alam, may bias sa Blackpink ay si Jisoo. Kaya I'm super excited. Sobrang unexpected tong collab na to, and sobrang saya ko lang kasi nakikinig ako ng mga music ng One Direction, ganan, and fan ako nila, hindi naman fan na fan, low-key fan, so ayan, and I'm pretty sure mabablock to dito sa YouTube, kaya lalabuan ko yung original video at saka medyo hinaan ko yung volume kasi kasi parang Warner recording ata yung nag-produce nito or something. Basta, mabablock siya, kaya ayun. And kung gusto niyo ng unedited version, ilalagay ko siya sa Patreon ko, pero hindi siya for free. Kaya, ayun. Pero bahala, nagagawa ko ng paraan dito sa YouTube para in case mablock lang siya. Yan. So, I'm super excited kasi, di ba nga, sobrang random. And guys, yung mga teaser, hindi naman mga, kasi parang photos at saka yung teaser lang ng isang gabi yung nilabas, pero hindi ko pinakinggan yung nasa teaser para alam niyo surprise talaga yung lyrics and yung video. Kaya eto na, hindi ko na ito patatagalin, let's start. Wait lang. Wow, grabe naman yung visual, like nakahiga lang pero ganun kaganda. Paano yun? Wait lang, am I ready? Oh my gosh, her visual, I cannot. What? Oh my god! Oh my god! Like, guys, you don't have any idea kasi hindi ko naman nasasabi talaga sa mga video ko na nakikinig ako One Direction kasi ayun nga, hindi naman sila active. Pero si Zayn, yung crush ko talaga sa 1D. Tapos yung bias ko, tapos may collab sila. Oh my god. Oh my god. I cannot. What? Oh, don't tell me. Ito ba yung nasa earthquake? Parang familiar. Parang yung concept, parang yung bossy na. Basta parang earthquake na music video. So ano tong tatlong to? Like, other collab ni Jisoo? Or may new song siya na lalabas pa, tapos apat na lang sila sa One Direction, diba? Kasi what if one dito? What if lang naman? Grabe, 19 seconds pa lang. Oh my god. His voice. Jesus, yes! Oh my god. Sobrang perfect ng voice nila together. I cannot. Guys, I'm so sorry. Bakit bagay? Oh my god, music to my ears. Oh my god! Hindi ko to na-imagine, guys. This too! Better if they fall in love. Oh my god, Jisoo. I can't speak. Her voice! Very visual. Oh my God. Oh my God, ang cute nila together. Oh, the outfits. Wow.
Someone like you really shouldn't work. Yeah, the history is proof. Damn if I don't, damn if I do. You know by now.
Okay. May naisip ako pero ayoko siya sabihin.
Oh, we should fall in love in our eyes. Oh, we should fall in
Oh, who's that?
love in our eyes closed. Better if we keep it when we know.
Bakit parang 1D? Tapos yung planet. Bro, there's something. Feb 9, Saturn. Oh my God. Pero parang girl. Wow! Ang cute ni Zayn kasi hindi siya humahawak kay Jisoo. Alam mo yun, may respect. Look at his hand. Oh my God! They're so cute together. Ang cute!
Eyes closed.
Wow! Sobrang chill nung music video pero sobrang ganda nung song. Like silang dalawa, hindi ko talaga in-expect na, alam mo yun, may kakolab si Jisoo tapos si Zayn pa.
I don't wanna leave you this.
Okay.
Tracing my body with your fingertips.
Ang ganda!
I know what you're feeling and I know you wanna say it. I do too, but we gotta be patient.
Wow!
Someone like me and someone like you really shouldn't work. Yeah, the history is proof. Damned if I don't, damned if I do. You know by now.
Their voices.
Oh, we should fall in love with our eyes closed. Better if we
I'm
keep it when we don't.
just speechless.
Sleeping in the names and the faces of who we were with. And oh, ain't nobody perfect, but it's all good. Past can't hurt us if we don't.
Hey! The lyrics. Bro! Ang ganda!
I got tunnel
She's so
vision every
beautiful.
second that you're
Beautiful.
with me. No, I don't care what anybody says.
This
Just
lyrics. I can't speak.
make trouble, but it could be good.
This is too much for me.
Kinda misunderstood. Whatever you've done, just it ain't nothing new. You know by now we've seen it all. Say, oh, we should fall in love with our eyes closed.
They're so cute together.
Let's leave in the names and the faces of who we were with. And oh, ain't nobody perfect, but it's all.
The way, wala, sobrang cute lang ng scene na yun. Aww.
Ain't nobody perfect, but it's all good. Past can't hurt us if we don't look. Let's let it go. Better if we fall in love with our eyes closed.
Feeling ko may may next song pa. Si Jisoo with
Really shouldn't
collab.
the history is proof. Damn if I don't. Damn if I do.
Ang ganda niya. Her visual. Ah!
Oh, we should fall in love with our eyes closed. Better if we keep it when we don't know. Birds we didn't hit, the names in the faces of who we were.
Ayaw ko napansin tattoo ni Zayn na 5 dahil bawa sa one day.
Past can hurt us if we don't look. Let's let it go. Better if we fall in love with our eyes closed.
Ang cute nito.
With our eyes closed.
Wow. Beautiful. Fantastic. I love it. Super. So, ayan, kagaya nga ng sabi ko kanina, hindi ako super fan ng 1D. As in yung yung nagpa-fangirl talaga. Pero, fan ako ng mga music nila. Like, nakikinig talaga ako sa mga songs nila. Kahit sa karaoke, kinakanta ko yung mga songs nila. And, ayun nga, like, hindi ko talaga to in-expect na pwede pala siyang mangyari. Like, Jisoo, tapos 1D, di ba? Sobrang unexpected. Parang, sigurado ako hindi lang ako yung nagulat na may collab sila. Pero, sobrang ganda ng voice nila together and yung visual, oh my gosh. Sinasabi ko talaga sa inyo, crush ko talaga si Zayn sa 1D, tapos si Jisoo yung bias ko. So, alam niyo yung double attack sa akin tong song na to, tong music video na to. Wala, sobrang ganda niya, nakaka-LSS. Tapos ayun nga, chill lang yung music video, yung concept, pero there's something, like, may nafe-feel ako. I'm super happy lang for my bias. Tapos si Zayn pa. So that's it for today's video guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong!